Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can add multicolor heading into your Elementor page. You can see I have this heading and first word it was in black and the other text was in violet color. Let's go to your Elementor editor where I will show you how to create it. So here in my Elementor editor I have this section. So first of all I will go to its section settings and change its height to min height. Now I will add a new section over it. Click on this plus button and I will select this the column section. Now first of all I will go to sections advanced settings. I will uncheck it and at the top I will add 100 pixels of margin and at the bottom I will add 20. Now I will go to widgets and drag and heading widget in the middle column. Now I will change the text. I will add auto scroll effect, align it to the middle. Now I will go to style, typography and high air. I will change its size to 50 and I will add weight to 800. Now I will go back to content and change the color. So to add color of the heading, I will add span tag around the words that I want to change the color. So I will add a span tag, close it and go to end of this text and again add a closing span tag. Now in the opening span tag I will add style. I will add equal and now I will add semicolon. Add it again and in the semicolon I will add color, type colon and add color. Now you can see I have typed the red and the text was changed to red. I will add yellow. So it was turned into yellow. You can also add pink. It was changed in pink. I will add blue. So you can see it was changed to blue. You can also add hex code there. So I will put hash and I will add 8422F6. So you can see it was changed in violet color. You can also change font there, but I will show you in the next tutorials how to use different font in the same heading. That's it for today. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like this video and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notifications about future updates. Thanks for watching.